Okay class, so before we continue with the second example or for first 15, I need to make it some correction for the table. Okay, I do a mistake actually. Okay, can you refer back to your table and look at for cos and hyperbolic cos. Okay, before this I write it's 1 over, right? Okay, it's supposed is s over s square plus a square, and same thing for hyperbolic cos. Before this I write 1, so it should be s over s square minus s square. Okay, so that's the correction that I need to make it first before we continue our example. Okay, alright, so thank you. Okay, so now we proceed to the second example. So it's an example of still in first shifting. So my question is, determine the Laplace transform for e for t cos 2t. Okay, so clearly you can see here you have two term. Okay, you have two term that consist t. Okay, ada dua term yang ada t, 2t lah, saya berkata 2t kat sini, e for t and also cos 2t. So that one is the first condition, they have two term of t. And the second condition, the main thing here is it consists of exponential. Okay, it consists of exponential. Okay, right, so your ft here is EAT/GT, whereas your EAT is E40, whereas your GT is cos 2t, right? Okay, step number 1. Identify your A. You need to identify first A. Okay, so A here means you need to refer to the power of A, and your A is 4. Okay, right, so the answer for this one is GS minus A, and your A is 4. Okay, now we proceed to step number 2. To get this answer, you need to find your GS. So what is your GS? Okay, GS is Laplace transform for GT. And what is your GT? Your GT is cos 2t. So by using table, okay, tengok table yang you dah betulkan Alright, cos 80. Okay, cos 80, so means that your A here is, okay, please don't get confused. Kat sini, for this question, they have two A. A for the exponential and A for the cos. So make sure you clear on that one. For this part, or I mean for this step number 2, A here is referred to the A for the cos, not A this. Okay, not this A. Okay, alright. So your A, the cos is s over s square plus a square. What is your A here? Your A here is 2. Okay, not 4, it's 2. Okay, this is the answer for your GS. Now, step number 3, s minus 4. So, what we do? We just replace s with s minus 4. Okay, if you can see clearly here that GS is s over s squared. So, when we want to find GS minus 4, so instead of s, now we need to replace s become s minus 4. Okay, so we will get this answer. Alright, okay, so another one. Okay, we try another one example. Okay, let's say you have determine the Laplace transform for E3t t squared. Okay, so clearly that you can see they have two terms that consist of t. They have 2t here, and then the second condition that we have here is exponential. So your ft here is EAT/GT, whereas your EAT is E3t, and your GT is t squared. Okay, alright. So step number 1, identify what is your A. Your A is 3. So the answer here is GS minus 3. Okay, so step number 2. Okay, step number 2. Okay, find out your GS. So to get your GS, you need to find the Laplace transform for GT. So GT is T square. So by using table, okay, n factorial. So your n here is 2. Okay, 2 factorial over Sn plus 1. So 2 factorial, if you calculate using calculator, you will get 2 over S cubed. So the answer for GS is 2 over S cubed. Okay, so we proceed to the last step. We will find GS minus 3. So like I said before, if you have GS, so the answer here is 2 over S cubed. So what we do for the GS minus 3, you just replace S minus 3 inside your S. Okay, so the answer will be S minus 3 cubed. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, alright, so we finish for first shifting. So the next video I will proceed with the last properties for this subtopic, which is derivative. Alright, okay.